Welcome to Relevant JavaScript Tutorials. In this tutorial we will learn how to find the index of any specific item in an array. So let's start.
The indexOf method is used to find the index for a specific element within an array.
It returns the first index at which the element is found in array. And if the element not present in array, then it will return -1. Let's look at the example.
Suppose we have an array called fruits with elements apple, banana, cherry, and orange.
And we want to search index of cherry fruit element. Now, to find the index of the element, cherry, you can call indexOf on fruits array.
And pass the cherry text value in indexOf method.
In the output you can see the indexOf method is returning value 2, that is the index of cherry fruit element in the fruits array. IndexOf is helpful when you need to check if an element exists in an array or not exists.
Like if search pineapple in array, it will return -1. -1 indicates that pineapple does not exist in fruits array.
So in this way you can use the indexOf method of array. That's all for this tutorial.
Like this video if you find this tutorial helpful. And subscribe this channel for next upcoming JavaScript tutorials on important topics. See you in next video.